Look at this precious little brown dove. Scribby, be quiet. Hey, Scrib, be quiet. What a precious little sweetheart. There you are. You enjoy that little bit of food. Don't take any notice of the dog. She can't get to you. You enjoy that. Look at that beautiful bird. Come and you get that before the cockies come and chase you away. There you are, love. You enjoying that? What a sweet bird. Where are your friends, love? Where are your friends? Yes, you're a little bit nervous because the dog's been barking at you. And you're only a bit of a baby, you don't really understand what's happening. Look at that splendid bird. There you are. There you are, coo away. Hear that little coo on that bird. What a lovely coo. Go on, do another one. Yeah, here's Cocky coming now. He's going to spoil it for you. Go on, another little coo. Oh, there you are, that's another one. Tell those cockies to go away. Tell those cockies to go away. There you are, another coo. Another coo. Come on, another coo, another coo. Beautiful little brown dove. Little brown wood pigeon, actually. It's not really, I suppose it's a dove. Wood pigeons. There you are. You haven't been coming for a little while. You come and go. Cockies are always here though. Every day cockies are here. But you don't come all the time, although you were coming for a little while. You going to do another coo? We're so lucky to have these beautiful birds here. Wild birds, that is. Here's trouble. Yeah, here's the reason for this. I know. There you are. There, sweetheart, you've been chased away. But you've had a fair bit. Yeah, come back and get some more. Oh well, never mind. Cocky will come and get it. Here he is. Here's Troublemaker. Here's the big troublemaker. Here. No, I won't let you on my hand, that's for sure. Or you. Unless I want to lose it. Anyhow, bye cockies, because you've had your breakfast. You've had it. Okay, goodbye to you. Goodbye, Cocky. Goodbye, Cocky. Come back this afternoon, I'll feed you. Okay? Bye, Cocky. Bye.